close my eyes. Oh, when I close my eyes.
Welcome to Healthy by Heat. A lot of things that don't get cleaned at home. Utensil tray is one of them. You need to clean it, especially if you watch this video, you'll see why. Cheers.
When the lights go up, I don't think I told you. I don't think I told you that I feel out of place.
Poor man.